underground mining is managed with exceptional efficiency and safety.
Continuous innovation has rapidly advanced mining capabilities, evolving from manual extraction to sustainable automated systems.
These performance targets illustrate our adherence to the safety specifications.
We are maximizing efficiency.
Wait.
And the environmental requirements?
We must ensure these safety specifications are integrated into the plan.
The deposit analysis confirms we can meet the
Nelson Colmos. The environmental impact parameters are exceeding limits in Sector 4.
Rerouting the water flow simulation.
Look at the environmental impact metrics here. We need to adjust the flow rate immediately.
I agree.
This visualization confirms the need for optimization modeling.
Twizzers. This visualization indicates a potential bottleneck in Sector Gamma. We need to adjust the extraction sequencing. That aligns with the predictive.
This plan meets the international regulatory standards.
Reassess.
We must double-check the safety specifications for.
Look at this section. We need to reassess the resource estimation based on these new environmental requirements.
Adjusting the parameters now.
Initiating drilling sequence. Monitoring torque closely.
Data logging confirms adherence to specifications. We are clear for continuous operation.
The characterization analysis confirms the specifications.
Predictive maintenance systems show green across the board.
The operational readiness review confirms we are meeting all targets.
We've ensured sustainable resource management and condition-based monitoring are fully integrated.
The structural tolerances look good here.
Confirmed. Adjusting the deployment sequence based on the real-time load data.
All right, commence primary mobilization on Sector 3.
Meticulous preparation procedures implementing precision engineering protocols, ensuring complete operational readiness before full-scale operations commencement. Meticulous preparation procedures and advanced quality systems ensure stringent standards are met, guaranteeing operational readiness and safety. Meticulous preparation is key. Following these stringent standards ensures comprehensive international compliance and complete operational readiness. Continuous monitoring confirms adherence to stringent standards.
All systems verify operational readiness.
We are green for commencement.
Cabinets locked and connections verified.
Initiating power sequence now. Status?
Green indicators active. Site is operational.
Executing the primary operational sequence, our trained personnel utilize sophisticated systems, implementing excellence framework.
Detonation sequence initiated, maintaining stabilization protocols.
Energy levels peaking within specifications.
Systems holding steady, confirming conditions. Our sophisticated systems execute in ore material hauling, utilizing flotation cells, implementing real-time data analysis.
Check the load bearing. Looks good from here. All systems green. Maintain sequence.
Sequence initiated. All systems nominal.
Confirmed. Maintaining environmental controls.
Consistency levels are stable at 98%.
Noted. Maintain current flow rates on cell banks.
Check the tension on the primary conveyor. Maintain precision alignment. Specifications confirmed. The concentration output is stable.
The LHD delivered the ore on schedule.
And the electrowinning sequence is running within optimal parameters.
Quality specifications are being met.
We execute tailings dewatering with exceptional precision, meeting all stringent international compliance requirements.
The particle size consistency is holding steady at 98.7%.
Excellent. The modifications to the mill seem to be working. Utilizing flotation cell banks, we execute backfilling with exceptional precision, demonstrating operational excellence and a continuous commitment to safety.
We implement operational excellence frameworks, maintaining superior standards while maximizing efficiency and environmental protection.
Approaching stabilization point. Check lateral alignment.
Alignment nominal. Data trend is green.
Confirmed. Proceeding with final set down.
Hydraulics at 40%. Initiating automated sequence. Confirmed. Monitoring robotic arm trajectory.
Monitoring blast wave propagation. Predictive maintenance confirms vehicle safety zone integrity. Detonating sequence gamma.
Monitoring confirms optimal load balance and system parameters.
Acknowledged. Proceeding with the transport sequence at regulated speed.
Consistency is holding steady at 98%.
Safety protocols are fully engaged, maintaining our sustainable targets.
I've adjusted the depressant flow rate on tank 3.
Readings are stabilizing. Consistency is improving.
Quality control parameters are stable. We're well within environmental compliance limits.
Ladle position locked. Initiating pour sequence.
Confirmed. Monitoring thermal consistency.
Precision metrics are holding steady at 99%. Good. Ensure the tailings flow remains consistent for sustainable output.
Executing backfilling mined cavities utilizing shuttle car transport systems, maintaining exceptional precision, consistency, and stringent quality specifications.
All systems nominal. Conveyor 1 running at spec. Copy that.
Maintaining flow rate and quality standards.
Utilizing predictive maintenance. Readiness. Our trained personnel ensure this crushing mill operates with excellent precision.
Grinding mill rotation stabilizing. Initiating hoist sequence now.
Confirmed. Monitoring vibration levels and power draw. All parameters nominal. Calibration checks complete on the flotation bank sensors.
Precision is holding steady. We are clear to optimize the sequence.
Quality systems alert triggered. Analyzing data.
Reviewing sustainability metrics. All parameters stable.
Anomaly resolved. Analytics confirm stability.
We have an alert on the ventilation system in Sector 4.
Rerouting the airflow now. Optimization sequence initiated.
We have an anomaly in water inflow for Sector B.
Acknowledged. Initiating quality control sequence and adjusting pressure regulator.
Critical alert on sensor array gamma. Displacement reading spiking.
Acknowledged. Initiating level 3 mitigation protocols. Recalibrating predictive models now. Levels stabilizing.
The real-time monitoring confirms optimal stability for the inventory tracking systems.
Yes, the operational excellence framework is guaranteeing exceptional performance.
We have a priority 1 alert in Sector 4. Assess immediately.
Analyzing the intrusion. It looks like a net overflow. We have an exceedance on the dust suppression metrics in Zone 3.
Initiating automated countermeasures. Levels dropping.
Compliance restored. System stable.
Our advanced analytics provide real-time monitoring of seismic activity. When this alert spiked, the system engaged.
Real-time monitoring confirms optimal stability.
Automated systems show full compliance across the board. Alert status yellow on line 4. Yield stability is compromised.
Rerouting the optimization parameters now.
System normalized. We are back to optimal performance metrics. Deviation detected on ore grade monitor V3.2. Check oscillation dampeners.
Adjusting flow rate to compensate.
For your rigs. Airflow measurements are stable and optimized. The protocols are validated.
Checklist complete.
The monitoring analysis is complete. The data supports the release.
Excellent.
I will finalize the documentation for quality control.
Look at this reading here. The concentration spiked briefly at 14 hours.
I see it. Let's note the variance and rerun the passive sampler.
Data spike confirms peak pressure validation. Traceability standards are met. We can authorize release.
Strain gauges on section 3 are stabilizing within parameters.
Confirmed. Data logs match thresholds.
Traceable standards are met. We can authorize release.
The instrumentation readings align with the model predictions.
The safety factors are met. We can proceed with authorization.
Comprehensive testing procedures conducting rigorous acid mine drainage testing analysis utilizing hazard prevention protocols with certified instrumentation.
These recovery rates exceed the initial projections.
Yes, but we must adhere strictly to the validated methodologies for the next run.
The instrumentation is certified, and the methodologies are validated.
We can authorize continued operations.
The assay results confirm the expected ore grade.
Verified. The methodology is validated according to protocol.
Analytics platform shows green across the board.
Copy that. Inspection complete.
Ready for pushback. The ventilation monitoring shows significant improvement here.
We're exceeding operational standards.
The advanced analytics platforms confirm maximum efficiency.
The continuous optimization model is showing a 20% increase in efficiency on Sector 3.
Acknowledged. Acknowledged.
As you can see, the continuous quality improvement protocols are maximizing our operational excellence.
These frameworks ensure our explosive storage compliance is fully optimized.
And the real-time analytics confirm exceptional safety levels.
We have a level 2 anomaly on the main grid. Initiate emergency protocol.
Accessing analytics for... As you can see on the dashboard, the real-time data confirms that our continuous quality improvement targets are being met through these training programs.
This demonstrates our commitment to safety improvement initiatives.
Operational efficiency is maximized.
Utilizing these advanced analytics, we're maximizing operational excellence.
The continuous quality improvement initiatives are clearly paying off.
These analytics confirm the continuous quality improvement.
The integrated systems are maximizing our operational excellence.
By utilizing this condition-based monitoring, we're seeing immediate improvements in fuel consumption analysis.
Operational management phase, implementing predictive equipment maintenance scheduling, utilizing precision engineering protocols with dedicated teams.
The latency is dropping below the target threshold. Excellent. The tele-remote adjustments are stabilizing the multi-axis motion.
Innovation Development Laboratory, actively researching and systematically developing transformative next-generation drone-based surveying mapping systems.
If we recalibrate the sensor array, we can increase sorting accuracy by 5%.
That aligns with the real-time data.
Paradox. The data confirms a 30% increase in sustainable resource utilization.
This data proves the next-generation paste backfill is viable.
A significant competitive advantage across multiple industries. Well done.
If we route the excess solar capacity here, we optimize the power flow.
That stabilizes the grid frequency.
Look, the simulation confirms it.
These latest figures confirm the safety protocols are integrated correctly.
And the motor efficiency is exceeding the projections.
If we apply this fundamental research here, we significantly accelerate the optimization.
Agreed. The dynamic simulation is stabilizing.
Look at the predictive modeling.
The sensor integration data confirms the...
Ensure the safety parameters are highlighted in the simulation.
The AR overlay confirms all protocols are active.
This data shows the optimized investment pathway. And the safety stewardship metrics align with sustainable targets.
Initiating the resource shift now.
Our strategic operations are maintaining a competitive advantage.
The data confirms the frameworks are optimizing decisions globally.
We utilize comprehensive analytics platforms and sophisticated decision frameworks to optimize organizational decisions globally. The analytics platform confirms our competitive advantage. Optimize the European assets now to meet the regulatory standards before the market opens.
The system confirms the strategic advantage. The decision framework worked.
From this perspective, we see the true scale of the integrated ecosystem, a vital nexus within the global.
An advanced operational facility revealing a complete integrated ecosystem strategically positioned within the global industrial network.
With integrated safety systems, real-time monitoring, and efficient logistics, we achieve continuous